Hello, this is Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, I'll talk about Kishu Inu. Okay, what is Kishu Inu? It's quite similar as Shiba Inu, I guess. If you have followed the news lately about Shiba Inu, I think Shiba Inu has hiked over 5,000% within a month. It's a little bit hard to believe where you seldom see such a spike that much. So there is another coin called Kishu Inu also launched lately, I think during the April if I'm not mistaken. And what do you think about Kishu Inu? Kishu Inu is also another dog symbol that represents the Dogecoin brother. They claim themselves the Dogecoin brother. As you can see here, quite famous lately. Everybody was talking about Kishu Inu. Even my Telegram channel also asked about Kishu Inu. Okay, so today's episode I will teach you guys how to buy Kishu Inu step by step, and I will tell you guys why am I looking forward to this coin. Okay, first of all, let's see what happened to this coin. As you can see yesterday, which is the 11th of May, there is a news came out from the Newsweek how to buy Kishu Inu. New crypto calling itself a Dogecoin big brother. As you can see, it's been a lot. But what it says is it teaches you how to buy Kishu Inu. But the biggest problem is Kishu Inu is not yet listed yet in the market. Yes, it might listed in some exchanges, but not all yet. So during that time, I think few weeks back or few days back, the only way you can buy is through the wallet called MetaMask, or either Trust Wallet or Coinbase Wallet. So there is a step here. Let me show you the step. I think this step I've been sharing out in my Telegram channel. So what you need to do is you need to download the MetaMask or the Coinbase or the KishuSwap. Then you need to transfer your Ethereum into this wallet, which is, let's say you downloaded the MetaMask wallet in your phone, and then what you need to do is first you need to register a MetaMask account, and then after that, once you have the account, you will need to transfer your Ethereum over to this wallet. From here, after that, you will need to go into the Kishu Finance, which is the website, and then you click on Buy Kishu. Okay, so once you click the Buy Kishu, it will pop up the KishuSwap page, whereby you will need to connect to a wallet. Can you see here? Connect to a wallet. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click this button, which is connect to a wallet, and you need to click your MetaMask wallet. So it asks you to install the Google Chrome extension. So once you click it, it will tell you how to download. So you need to download, and you need to depends on your, is it Google Chrome, iOS or Android. Okay, let's say it's Google Chrome. Let's say I'm using a computer right now, so I install a MetaMask for Chrome. So once I click it, they will install for me, and after that, what it does is you need to open up the extension, because I already done it, so I need to turn on the extension. So once you do the refresh, you will get something like this. See, it's no longer install MetaMask, so you need to click it and you need to put in your password, something like that, or you need to put in your 12-phase key on it here, which is the import using seed phrase. So once you import that from your phone to here, and then you just click unlock, and basically you will get your wallet here. So once you get the wallet here, what you need to do is okay, let me try and see. Okay, once you have this, you can actually transfer your Ethereum. Let's say you have this amount of Ethereum, you transfer to this amount, and then it will calculate for you how many estimation of Kishu you will get in the end. And what you need to do is you click this button, which is the setting button. Make sure you set from 4% to 7%, which is the slippage tolerance. If you go below, the transaction might fail. Okay, so you put 7% or 4%. Okay, let me put 4%, and you click swap, and you click confirm swap. And what it does, it basically calculate the gas fees for you and the total amount that you need to pay. Okay, so why am I not recommending you this option? Is because the gas fees for Ethereum is quite expensive right now. It's about $200, which is a 0.048 Ethereum that you need to pay just for the transaction fees to get through. The gas fees is fixed by the Ethereum traffic. If you want to know more about Ethereum congested traffic, you can actually go to Ethereum gas fees. You can actually look for the Etherscan, which is here. And this is the amount you need to pay right now for the gas fees to run. So it's quite expensive, and that's the reason why I'm not recommending you to go through these steps. But if you afford to pay these gas fees, then what you can do is you just click confirm. Make sure that the sufficient fund is enough, then you click confirm, and then it will do all the transactions and you will get the Kishu in the end. Okay, it's quite easy for MetaMask. So what is the second step you can do? The second option that you can do is you can go through the one of the exchange platform to do the transactions, which is the BKEX exchange platform. If you don't have the BKEX exchange platform yet, I will put down the link at the description below. You guys can do a registration and you can straight away buy the Kishu from this exchange platform. So how do you want to buy? What you need to do is you need to send your Ethereum, or you need to send any coins to this platform. Okay, let's say if I have a USDT in my Huobi exchange platform. Okay, let's say I give an example. Okay, let's say I have a USDT here in Huobi Global. Okay, let's say, okay, you have to imagine that I have a USDT here. Okay, let's say I have availability of maybe a $100, okay, and I want to transfer it over. So what I can do is I can click withdraw. Okay, once I click withdraw, and you will need to take all this button and click confirm. Okay, make sure it's in ERC20, and let's say once you registered, you need to go to the asset wallet account and look for USDT. Okay, so you need to click deposit. Okay, so once you click deposit, make sure it's in ERC20 because you are transferring from ERC20 to ERC20 USDT. So you need to copy this QR code, or you just click this button and you need to paste it over here in the Huobi page, and then you need to put amount of let's say 100 USDT. So what you click withdrawal, and what it does, it will transfer your USDT from here to here. Okay, let's say you feel like this amount is expensive, maybe you can convert to other coin like XRP or XLM. Then you transfer your XRP or XLM from Huobi to BKEX. It is the same step. So once you have transferred, once you receive a USDT here, what you can do is you go to the spot, go to the exchange platform, and you look for Kishu. Okay, so once you have the Kishu chart here, you can actually do the buy, which is what price you want to buy at and how many coins that you want to buy. You can actually drag this one to 100%. Let's say you have $100, you can drag 100%. It will automatically help you to put in $100 inside here, and it will calculate how many Kishus that you will get in the end. So why am I recommending this is because first of all, it might hide as Shiba. We might not know, but it might have the chance. Second thing is because if you look at their Twitter, this is actually a very good news, whereby Kishu will be on the biggest billboard in Times Square, New York City area. It will be putting their billboards on May 14 to 21st, which is, I think, it will expose more to the people about this Kishu. So I think it might impact a little bit. It might impact a lot of the price value of the Kishu Inu. Okay, so it's all up to you, but this kind of coin you need to make sure to manage your own risk, because this kind of coin you will never know what will happen next. It might pump, it might dump. So if you can manage your risk well, I believe that you can go ahead and invest in all this kind of coin. But if you don't, make sure do not invest on this kind of coin. You can go to all those big cryptos like Cardano, Ethereum, and so on and so forth. Okay, and last and not least, I will talk about how high my prediction can Kishu goes. As you can see, if you look at the marketplace, let's say we talk about coin market cap. we look at the Shiba Inu, which is the market cap at 10 billion. So right now, I would use this. This is I get this market cap from the Kishu Telegram. If you want to join the Telegram, you can just go to the homepage, and you can just go and join their Telegram here. So this is what I screenshotted from their Telegram. Now their market cap is around 700 over million. Okay, 700 over million, and Shiba is about 10 over billion. So you imagine this way: if Kishu can go above Shiba Inu, slightly above, I believe that it might have the possibility to go up to another 2000% more. Okay, let's say now it's like 700 million. Alright, let's say I put a 2000%, it's like 2000% is about 14 billion market cap. So it's slightly higher than Shiba, but it's possible, right? I mean, we don't make it so realistic. We make it a possible market cap situation. Okay, so it might surge up to like 14 billion, and let's say if it's another 2000%, let's say the price now is like is around, let's say 0.00087. Let's say I copy this amount, I paste it here, and we plus another 2000%, and this is the amount that you might get. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60 with 168. So I think it's slightly possible, and who knows what will happen next. So let's take a look at what will happen next into this Kishu Inu this month or this week. Okay, so I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode, remember to click like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys soon, and bye bye.